Finding the perfect sunscreen can be quite tough, but don't worry, I have got you covered. All the skin types, even the oily skin people can use it. Not found any perfect fit as of now, then definitely go and invest in this one. And another gel for oily, combination, and sensitive skin. And even after having so many benefits, it gives a glowing finish, which is a plus 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 for me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I will be sharing my top 5 sunscreens that are available in India that will cater to every skin need from oily to dry and everything in between. So without further ado, let's jump into the video now. So here are some of my top picks that will suit all the skin types. So my first recommendation is going to be my all-time favorite. This one is from Dot& Key. It's their watermelon cooling sunscreen. This one is perfect for summer season as it has a cooling sensation which feels like a blessing during those warm summers. Let me briefly tell you why we need a sunscreen at the first place. Firstly, I believe without a sunscreen, no skincare routine is ever complete. Sunscreens will not only help to moisturize your skin but also will help you to protect from harmful UV rays, which in turn can damage your skin barrier, and even cause cancer related diseases. It can also faster the process of your aging. If you have any kind of dark spots or pigmentation, it will also enhance it more. Therefore, it is one of the must skincare steps that no one should ever avoid. Sunscreen has SPF 50 PA++, which ensures the protection from UVA, UVB, and blue light. Even this one gives IR protection, which ensures that your skin is protected all the time. It has a watery texture that can be used for all the skin types. Even the oily skin people can use it. It will not feel heavy or greasy on your skin even those harsh summers. I have an oily skin. I love using this sunscreen. So if you're also from the same skin type, then you can definitely go and check this out. Also on application, it doesn't feel heavy or greasy on the skin. It gets absorbed seamlessly without any residue or any kind of white cast. Also, it will not sting your eyes and it is quite affordable. It retails for 445 rupees and here we are getting 2 years of shelf life, which is pretty decent. You can find great offers on Dot& Key, buy one get one, buy two get two offers every now and then. So I will leave a coupon code down in the description box, so please make sure you're checking that out so you can save some additional bucks. Next recommendation is this one from Happier. It's ultra lightweight Sunday sunscreen. It is so lightweight that you will not even notice that you have applied anything on your skin. It gets absorbed so beautifully, so seamlessly. It again has no white cast, feels very light on your skin. It's non-greasy. I can rant over its benefits, its texture for about an hour and still I will not stop. If you have an oily skin and you have not found a perfect match as of now, then definitely go and invest your money on this one. Trust me, you're going to thank me later. It is so beautiful. I love its texture. It gives the apt amount of moisturization as well as protection. It is so hydrating, soothing, and repairing on your skin. It has SPF 50 along with PA++, which ensures that your skin is protected all the time. Let me show you the texture. See, it's so lightweight. It has no white cast. It's not going to sting or burn or irritate your skin. And see, can you feel that you have applied anything? No. It's one of the best that I have used. So I have used so many sunscreens, around 30 or 40 from different brands, but this one has my whole heart. I have not found the ultra lightest sunscreen as compared to this one, and I love it. My oily skin totally love it, and it is going to be perfect for those summer seasons as well. And the best part is it's non-comedogenic, means that if you have acne prone skin, this is going to be perfect because it will not clog your pores. It has potent sunscreen actives which make sure that your skin is protected all the time. Also, it provides protection from blue light, easily blends into your skin, has no non-greasy or oily formula, and even after having so many benefits, it gives a glowing finish, which is a plus 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 for me. So definitely buy this if you have oily skin. It retails for 495 rupees and here we are getting 2 years of shelf life. No matter what the weather is, whether it's summer, foggy, winter, there is no excuse to skip on your sunscreen because they are one of the most important steps of your entire skincare routine. And if you're following a good skincare routine which doesn't have a sunscreen, trust me, how much expensive products you're using, everything is going to fail because without UV protection, no skincare is ever complete. You want a sunscreen that will hydrate your skin so much, then definitely invest in this gem. Apart from this, it is perfect for oily combination and sensitive skin because it is free from fragrance too. This comes with so great ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which ensures that your skin is not only protected but hydrated and nourished as well as moisturized throughout the day. It contains SPF 50 along with PA4+, which ensures broad spectrum and blue light protection. It has a beautiful texture again. See, it's not that much thick and it is so beautifully blending, and these are perfect for like all the seasons, summers, winters. How beautifully it got blended. Has no white cast, doesn't feel like chip and all. So it's definitely the must buy for oily skin girlies especially. It retails for $4.99 and here we get 2 years of shelf life. Please make sure that you're reapplying your sunscreens after every 2 to 3 hours because with increased time they lose their tendency, so a reapplication is a must. And if you're going outdoors then an SPF 50 is a must, and if you're indoors then you can switch it to 30 because if you're sitting indoors you're still prone to sunlight that are coming from your windows, so SPF 30 like minimum 30 is a must. Foundation is for people who have dull skin and looking for a sunscreen that will uplift your look without using any kind of makeup, then this sunscreen is definitely something that you need to try. So from Aqualogica, it's the Illuminate Dewy Sunscreen. It gives a beautiful illuminating and dewy glow to your skin, and for that you don't have to apply any kind of makeup. Just wear this one, a little bit of lipstick, and you are good to go. So this sunscreen will give you a dual benefit, protection and skin glowing. So what else you expect from a sunscreen? Contains some amazing ingredients like wild berries and alpha-arbutin, which not only protect but also hydrate and give you a glowing finish. Also, it has water lock technology, which makes it perfect to use even if you're going into water like a pool. And it has broad spectrum protection, which not only protects your skin from harmful UVA B rays but also from blue light. See how nice it is. So it's not that thick and it's so lightweight. It will not make you feel heavy or greasy in any sort of way, and it is blending. See guys how beautifully it is blending, and look at the shine. I don't know if the camera is capturing it or not, but it gives a beautiful glow as if you have applied any sort of highlighter or a strobe cream. It's not that much glow, but it is nothing less than. When we are applying sunscreens, we tend to focus on just this area, which is our face, but that is not it. Our ears, our neck, our hands are also exposed to direct sunlight because our rest of the body is covered in clothes. And if your arms are also exposed, so for that you can use body sunscreen, which will give you the apt amount of protection from harmful UV rays. So if you have a dry, dehydrated skin and looking for a sunscreen, then definitely go and invest in this one. If you have a dry skin, it's very common and easy to have a broken skin barrier. So in order to protect your skin, you should use ingredients which are very soothing and hydrating, like ceramides, aloe vera. These are some of the ingredients that will help you heal and repair. This sunscreen comes with amazing ingredients like avocado and has 5 essential ceramides, like 5 types of ceramides, which will not only repair but also soothe, strengthen and hydrate your skin. So what all you can expect from one sunscreen? You are getting almost everything. You are getting repair, strengthening, hydrating and soothing all in one. Also, it has SPF 50 along with PA4+, which gives protection against UVA, UVB and blue light. Also, it is so creamy and so moisturizing that it will hydrate and moisturize your skin all the day. Even though it suits dry, dehydrated skin, it has a creamy formula. It's very rich, but it is not that thick that it will make your skin feeling oily or greasy. It's pretty much lightweight. It will prevent your skin from further tanning as well. See how rich the formula is. Definitely, if you have dry skin or if you're looking something during these harsh winters, which is quite moisturizing, hydrating, repairing and soothing, definitely invest in this sunscreen. And this one retails for 449 rupees, and here we are getting 2 years of shelf life. And how you're applying your sunscreen is also a must to know. You do not need to apply a teeny bit or a pea size of it. You have to apply your sunscreen 2-finger rule, the apt amount of product that you need to take, and then start applying. So this is going to cover your entire face and ears and of course your neck. Yeah, guys, that were all the favorite picks and recommendations that I love, and I had a sunscreen for all the skin types, for dry, oily, combination, and even sensitive skin. If you found the video helpful and you have watched this video till the end, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that whenever I post next, you're notified and you're not missing on any future updates. If you have any kind of questions or queries, you know where to hit. That is the comment section. I will be happy to answer all the questions and the queries. So yeah, guys, that's all for my today's review video. See you in my next one. Till then, bye.